Welcome back to Software Hub. In this video, I will show you how we can disable Windows Defender permanently so it never deletes or blocks our files again. Make sure to watch till the end and don't forget to subscribe to Software Hub for more useful tutorials. Let's get started. When I go to Windows Settings, then Privacy and Security, and then Windows Security, and from here click Manage Settings, you can see that I can manually enable or disable real-time protection. Now let's disable it permanently so it won't automatically delete our files again in the future. For that, click on the search icon and search for Registry Editor, then open it. Now, over here expand HKEY Local Machine, then expand the Software option. Inside Software, find Policies and expand it as well. Then inside Microsoft, you'll find Windows Defender. Right-click on Windows Defender, click New, then select Key and name it Real-Time Protection exactly like I did. We are creating this key because it allows us to control Windows Defender behavior at a deeper system level. After that, right-click on the blank area inside this key and create a DWORD 32-bit value. Name it Disable Anti-Spyware exactly like I did. Now double-click on it and change the value from 0 to 1. Setting the value to 1 means we are enabling the policy to disable Windows Defender's protection features permanently. After that, go back to Windows Security and turn off real-time protection if it is still enabled. This ensures that the changes we are making take effect without interference. Now open Windows Search again and search for Edit Group Policy, then open it. On the left side, expand Administrative Templates, then expand Windows Components, and then find and expand Microsoft Defender Antivirus. Inside this, click on Real-Time Protection. On the right side, you'll see several options. Double-click on the first option, which says Turn off Real-Time Protection. Then select Enabled, click Apply, and then click OK. Enabling this policy actually means turning off real-time protection completely at the system level. After that, do the same for the second option, Turn on Behavior Monitoring. Disabling behavior monitoring ensures that Windows Defender does not run background scans or detect files automatically. Once all these steps are complete, restart your PC. After restarting, go to Windows Security again. Now you can see that we can no longer manually enable or disable real-time protection, and it shows that this setting is managed by your administrator. This confirms that the protection is now permanently disabled through system policies. If this video helps you, consider subscribing to the channel and click the bell icon for more latest updates. Thanks for watching.